Hello students, good time to all. I am Chandan Khan Pradhan. Welcome to your YouTube channel Chandan Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss volume integrals of vector fields. Let's begin. Let f vector be a continuous vector function and volume V is enclosed by surfaces let the region capital D be divided into a finite number of subregions. Now we consider a vector function f which is continuous and V is that of volume enclosed by a surface S and that of region is D which is divided into finite number of subregions. Let del Vi be the volume of subregions D of I. D is that of region which is divided into finite number of subregions, and for that del Vi is a subregion of a volume of that of subregion of Di enclosing any point whose position vector is Ri vector. Then consider the sum summation over that vector function into del Vi, so that the limit of the sum as the number of parts, that is number of subdivisions, that is n, tends to infinity, and that volume del Vi, that elementary volume, tends to 0 is called the volume integral of vector f vector over the region D, as it is denoted by integration over V, 3 times integration, that is triple integration f vector dV. Again I repeat, what is that of concept of volume integral of vector fields. Let f vector be a continuous vector function and the volume V is enclosed by a surface S. Let that of region D is divided into finite number of subregions, and let del Vi be the volume of subregion of Di enclosing any point whose position vector is Ri vector. then consider the summation over that of a vector del vi, so that the limit of that of sum n tends to infinity, that is the number of divisions, and that of volume of elementary divisions, that is del vi tends to 0, is called the volume integral of f vector over the region D, and it is represented by the triple integration over v, that is the volume integration f dv. Now by the help of the volume integrals, let's solve a question that related to volume integrals of vector fields. Now we solve the question, and that question is given by evaluate that of vector integral grad dot f dv, whereas that f vector is represented by over that of volume v, bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0, and that of equation 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. We have to find that of grad dot f dv, that is the vector integration of that of volume integrals. Now we find its solution, that f vector is given by 2x square minus z I cap minus xy j cap minus 2x k cap. Therefore grad dot f is given by del by del x 2x square minus z plus del by del y minus xy plus del by del z minus 2x. Solving, we have 4x minus x, that is 3x. Also 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4, which implies z is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. Also y varies from 0 to 2 minus x, y varies 0 to 2 minus x. Also x varies from 0 to 20, 0 to 2. X varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 2 minus x, whereas z varies from that of 0 to that 4 minus 2x minus 2. That's why we find that a volume integral v grad dot f dv, that is the volume integral over v 3x dx dy dz, grad dot f is equal to 3x. Putting its limit from x equal to 0 to 2, from y is equal to 0 to 2 minus x, and z is equal to 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y of 3x into dx dy dz. Solve it, that is from 0 to 2, from 0 to 2 minus x 3xz, that is 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y dy into dx. Again, that is 0 to 2, 0 to 2 minus x, that is 3x into 4 minus 2x minus 2y into dy dx. Again, that is 0 to 2, 0 to 2 minus x 12x minus 6x square minus 6xy dy dx is equal to integration from 0 to 2, again with respect to y, that is 12xy minus 6x square y minus 6xy square divided by 2 of the limit from 0 to 2 minus x dx. Solving this, that is 0 to 2, 12xy minus 6x square y minus 3x y square, the limits from 0 to 2 minus x into dx. As putting the upper limits and lower limits, we have 0 to 2, that is 12x of 2 minus x minus 6x square of 2 minus x minus 3x of 2 minus x square of dx is equal to, from 0 to 2, 3x whole into 2 minus x, 4 minus 2x minus 2 minus x into dx. Again 0 to 2, that is 3x 2 minus x, expanding this, that is 4 minus 2x minus 2 plus x dx. That's why integration from 0 to 2, 3x, factorizing these two, we have 2 minus x, 2 minus x dx. Sorry, solving this term, 4 minus 2, that is 2 minus 2x plus x, that is minus x. That's why we find integration from 0 to 2, ax, 3 taking outside, 2 minus x square dx. Therefore is equal to 3 integration from 0 to 2 x 4 plus x square minus 2x into dx is equal to 3 into 0 to 2 4x plus x cube minus 2x square into dx is equal to 3, that is 4x square by 2 plus x fourth by 4th minus 2x cube by 3, 0 to 2 is equal to 3, 2 into 2 square plus 2 square by 4 minus 2 by 3, 2 to the power q. Putting the limits, that is 3, 8 plus 4 minus 16 by 3 is equal to 3, 36 minus 16 by 3 is equal to 20. Now finally we solve that of integral, that is the vector triple integral, or we can say it as volume integral. So with the help of this video lecture we understand the concept of volume integral of that of vector, as we studied volume integrals of vector fields and how we represent that of volume integral, and with the help of the concept of volume integral we solve a question that is related to the volume integral. So with this useful and informative notes, let me wind up this session. Thank you